Hey, my name is Zach, and I wanted to show you how to align text to a shape in Photoshop. Now, we're going to use a circle and a heart today, and this is actually really easy. As you can see, I have a green canvas here. In order to get text to type, we're actually going to go down to the text tool, and it normally looks like this. But the text shape tool is here, and we're just going to select ellipse. Now, when I draw this out, you can see it's not making a perfect circle. If I hit Shift, it will. But you've got to press and hold it to get the shape to stay, and we'll let go. Now, if you click on the circle, and we change our font color and font, let's just do this one's fine. This is type on a circle, dudes. And we'll hit the checkbox. We can right click, edit the layer style, can add some cool effects to it, but I'm just going to leave it the way it is. And when I click off that image, you can see that there is no path where the circle once was. Now let's do a heart. So I'm going to delete this layer here, and we'll just go back to the same tool. We'll select a heart, hit Shift, draw it out, and we're just going to click here. And as you can see, where I clicked made a difference on how it's going to travel around the heart. So I'm going to hit no, and let's go here. As you can see, when it gets down into the corners, it doesn't exactly type correctly. I just like to do a couple spaces until it gets where I want. And if I hit the checkbox and deselect, you can see I have a heart with words. My name's Zach, and I just showed you how to align text to a circle and a heart. Thanks for watching.